Now, hopping right into hair, because we're not going out like this. I got the Curl Kinks by Sensational. Let me turn it around the right way. And it's the Rainmaker all curl types from 3B to 4C. And the girl on the packaging looks like this. Hopefully you can see her. I have it in the color number one. It comes with some care instructions. It does come in an array of other colors. It's just your choice of what you want to do. I'm going to remove it from the packing. And I did not leave any of my hair out at all. None. But if you would like to, you surely can. This unit sort of mimics African American hair in its natural state, or pressed out. Okay, the construction of it comes with a long comb in the front. It comes with a pretty good sized comb in the back, and it does have adjustable straps. Now, the only thing I did to my hair was try to slide a little bit around along the edges, and I applied my stocking cap. The rest of my hair is braided down. So here is what it looks like. The wig, full of really pretty curls. Alright, and now we're just going to go ahead and pop this bad girl on. And see what she's giving us straight out of the pack. Okay, now straight out of the package, she is not too bad. She's not too bad. It's really pretty. I mean, you can leave the curls, or you can fluff them out. It does fall over the hair, any hair that you might have laid down or left out. So to me, it's pointless to try to leave some of your hair down in the front, but it's preference what you want to do. It just depends on the look that you're going for. You can comb it over. Jumping right into this wig review, giving you the specs, details, and all the goodies on this wig, this half a wig. It's in Kinky Curly. It's suitable for 3B to 4C hair. It's by Sensational. It's a textured half a wig. It is in the color 1B. The name of it is called Rainmaker. It does come in a host of other colors: J99J, FB130, FB1B Burgundy, and F430. It does come with maintenance instructions on the back. And I did not leave any of my own hair out. The only thing I did was tuck around the outer edges of the unit behind my ear. The unit is really soft. The hair is really soft. Now, I'm not sure on tangling or how the longevity of the curls are going to last in there, but while they're in there, I suggest that you leave them in there until, you know, they fall out. But this is the unit straight out of the package. My specs on it is it's fabulous. I am so glad that they are incorporating more units that gives an illusion or appearance of our own African American natural hair in its state. So that when you pull the unit out of the pack, you ain't gotta look like all the time you got a quick weave or sew in. It can possibly definitely be your own hair by the texture of the hair that they're using now for these units. So I really love it. It has a lot of movement and body in it. It doesn't come with a part, so it gives you the ability to possibly style this unit a lot of different ways. You can add your barrettes and clips into it. You can possibly do a half up, half down type style. Possibly even a high ponytail wearing a headband with this unit. You could definitely leave your hair out, but I did not. So yeah, overall so far I love it. I'll try to give you an update on how it performs after a week or so, if possible. But this is the unit straight out of the package, straight out of the pack. Beautiful curls. It gives you the illusion of possibly having your hair pressed out and curled out. You do have a few slack pieces if you comb through the unit or you pull the curls out. So unless you want majority of your curls gone and the unit just straight looking, I would definitely leave the curls intact for now. But yeah, this is my specs on the unit. I did pick this unit up off of Amazon. It is an Amazon find. And the price of the unit will be listed in the description box below. So yeah, because I don't want to give you a wrong price point that I paid for this unit, but I think it was, if I had to guesstimate, it was possibly either $29 or $34 to put you in a ballpark figure of how much the unit costs. But it was an inexpensive unit off of Amazon. It is a half a wig, so don't get it confused with a lace or anything like that. They advise that it's recommended for all curl types from 3B to 4C hair types. If you want to leave your hair out front, you can definitely, but I did not. But yeah, beautiful unit. No sew-in, no quick weave, a half a wig from Amazon. So yeah, thanks so much again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thumbs up this video because it helps me out. Leave me a comment, nice, positive, encouraging. Share this video with your friends, your family, your loved ones, and then definitely come back to see another tutorial or makeup or wig review from me or haul. Thanks so much for watching.